And viewers, the other focus story has been the Rajkot tragedy, the fire that broke out at a gaming zone that claimed at least 28 lives. Now understand that there have been a series of lapses which have been exposed. The very fact that this gaming zone was built under a tin shed, and also the fact that it did not have the required NOC from the fire department.
That's right, Samiksha. In fact, 3 accused were produced in the Gujarat High Court yesterday, and the court issued 14-day remand for all 3 of them. Let's take a look.
A happy Sunday evening turned into a lifelong grief for people at the Rajkot's game zone. The fire that engulfed the entire TRP game zone claimed the lives of 28 individuals. Both the Banaskantha Local Crime Branch Police and Rajkot Police apprehended the main accused, Dhaval Thakkar, in Rajasthan. In swift action, the Gujarat government transferred the Civic Chief Police Commissioner and 2 other IPS officers. The government also replaced Rajkot Police Commissioner Raju Bhargava. Additional Commissioner of Police Vidhi Chaudhary and DCP Zone 2 Sudhir Kumar J. Desai have also been transferred. The 3 accused who were arrested were produced in court.
राजकोट अग्निकांड मामले में आरोपियों को कोर्ट लेकर पुलिस पहुंची और आप देखेंगे कड़ी सुरक्षा के बीच में आरोपियों को जो है वो कोर्ट लेकर पुलिस यहां पर पहुंच रही है। ये नीले रंग की आप जो बस देख रहे हैं जिस पर राजकोट सिटी पुलिस लिखा हुआ है, इसी में वो तीनों आरोपी हैं। आपको बता दें कि इस पूरे हत्याकांड में सबसे पहले 2 लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया गया और आज तीसरी गिरफ्तारी जो है वो राहुल की गई है और अब इन तीनों को जो है वो पुलिस कोर्ट में यहाँ पर प्रोड्यूस करेगी। कस्टडी मांगने की जो कोशिश है वो पुलिस द्वारा की जाएगी। हालांकि आप तस्वीरों में देखेंगे कड़ी सुरक्षा यहाँ पर है, पुलिस का घेरा, एक ह्यूमन चेन पुलिस द्वारा जो है वो साफ तौर पर बनाई गई है। लेकिन उसी कड़ी में आप ये देख रहे हैं कि तस्वीरें आप देखिए कि जिन 3 लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया गया उन तीनों के सर नीचे है। क्या कहेंगे 28 लोगों की बात?
Owner Yuvraj Singh Solanki, Rahul Rathore and manager Nitin Jain were given a 14-day remand by the Gujarat High Court with no relief given to the Rajkot Municipal Commissioner.
His employees who are working there, he is also evasive in giving relevant materials to the investigator. Therefore, he was, and see the conduct of accused is that he was very prepared that what would happen in the court. He was prepared. When he entered the courtroom, he started crying. One of the accused started crying. Once the court proceedings began, after some time, this very accused, when honorable judge asked him, he said that this kind of incidents occur. He had no remorse at all.
The 4.5-hour court hearing concluded with a directive to submit the affidavit to the court by June 3rd. As the Gujarat High Court classified this murder as negligence, will the accountable parties be held responsible? And will the victim's skin receive justice?